Okay, for everybody using the GoPro with the this particular lens is from Eagle Vision. It's the 12 millimeter lens. Um, for one thing, it turns easily, and then another thing is there's no real protection on it, and so I've see if we can get this in focus here. There we go. This is a flexible 3D printed material that I made. It fits right over the lens. Try not to turn it, and then push it in tight. And then once you've got it seated all the way, it's not turning, so it's going to hold your focus. Plus, it's got a nice seal around everything and fits very nicely in the GoPro case for the side shot. To remove it, you'll need to take something sharp and just pry up on it, and it'll come right out.